What's up, guys? Boss Anas coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another?
Brand new banger.
Why you do it, John?
But as usual, guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. So if you live under a rock, here's the scoop on the story right now. So there was a case where a man in a St. Anne that was accused and them say do a boogery act to a 5-year-old. Yesterday, he was granted bail at the sum of $300,000. Now, before me put my thoughts on it, Foota hype, they pan alive. A whole a reason with a bridging and thing about the whole matter. And it's a serious matter right now. I never run no joke, no farmer joke about it. It's not funny, none at all. So make we get in it and hear what them say. Oh, what's wrong with Jamaica?
5-year-old.
They are road.
Child. I come back
They are
around.
road. For real, even I forgot dead, you know.
Bro.
I don't know what you're going on, but I know me I run him down, chop him to pieces, you know, dog. I tell you, anyway, him there, you know, dog.
Jamaica. Oh,
We
a
are talking
judge.
about, dog.
Sorry.
Biggie, that thing, that.
Or a judge. I go take up them mouth and say, I grant you bail in the sum of $300,000 for boogering a 5 year. Brother, them would have to kick me out from that judge. You can't get no bail, brother.
Yo, so me I tell you, I said something earlier on and a real thing. It's like certain man and certain crimers and who do the crime them. It's like them give them people a leniency if you have hope say you can win. Now all a little 5-year-old, on a bigger man level that.
Yes. The man that do the rape is terrible. But the judge, oh my
Road.
brother, whether it's a woman or a man judge, me not care. Want the feelings there, want the human compassion there. But like, what me not understand?
Dog, get away, dog. I don't know I walk one on the island, dog, but I can't talk this publicly, brother. Thing never did go on. When dancehall did go on, certain thing never did go on. You know what them I come with now? Culture, everything.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I talk to you.
Straight.
I'm an eye full of water, Bridget.
I believe your Foota, man. Him should have there road Foota in a honest.
My son, a 40.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, brother. Straight.
14. And me can't tell you this. If a boy ramp with my son,
A problem, dog.
I have to go to prison. And I
Mad, dog.
to murder you.
Brother, my biggest pit me have a 18-year-old, brother. See?
And
I'm with up on the road and I get locked up, man.
brother, 2.5 months what I remand me do.
And a gun court did them, man.
Me go gun court, Reddils, and all different places and carry me. Birth and stain is, the process alone. The man is not supposed to get bail yet. The process. Just
Yeah, him not forget Bill. Him not forget. That's the crime.
Alright, peeps. And you hear what go on. So, Foota hype. Sorry, my dancer friend, I did forget your name. How dare I? Sadiki. He's a legendary dancer from back in the days and stuff like that, you know. Foota hype and Sadiki share their thoughts on it. And you can clearly hear the man them say that not right. And thing, right? None at all. Foota hype went on to share his process when them did bring him go court the other day, him go gun court, everything, 2 months or remand, him have to do etc and etc. Me not share my thoughts yet till the end of this video. You know what I mean? So we could move on to the next video and make we chat here. Alright peeps, next video now.
Oh!
Batty boy!
Your man gets fucking and batty. What's up, your mother?
Yeah man, see style, yeah? So we see some people that kill up like them and watch your journey and watch how we manifest our manifest sight. A laws of attraction in the man. Different type of meds with the pan. So I cook with the raw current. Raw current today I cook some ackee and some dumpling. Yeah man. No joke. Follow me at Optimist _God on IG. See the whole energy, different energy.
Wah! Yeah! Hope you enjoy the little comedy video them and thing, right? Big up on yourself. Today hour Thursday? Yeah. So happy Thursday to you beautiful people. Hear my thoughts on the whole matter now. Foota make a lot of points. You see the little clips them and thing. Now, I don't know what going on in Jamaica, but I am surprised that this man get bail. $300,000 bail for do a boogery act on a 5-year-old. Him shouldn't the road none at all. None at all. Foota I've share and him say when him there go through film thing, one little thing, a 2 month worth of remand him do. I want to Jamaica. When the thing the country is a Christian country where burn out all heap of thing. I realize enough little things are going. I don't know. I don't know. It's rough. I don't know how the judge make that happen. A 5-year-old virgin. A 5-year-old. Brother, you know how easy it is to get a woman? Some when you're sick in on the head, virgin, when you need God, how can you look on a 5-year-old and do that to a 5-year-old? And some of the boy we are rape and all them things that too. Who the next one too? You not afraid of God? How can you look on a 5-year-old and do that? And the judge, me no know. I want to think on a mature level, I want to think like a judge or a lawyer. You know, because them say the boogery accused. What evidence? I don't want to look on them evidence there. And then me can say boom bang bang bang. But me don't know what really going on right there. So but when boogery act like that, you shouldn't get bail. $300,000. I want to Jamaica. What has happened to Jamaica? What go on? Only think about it. Think about it. No, all I know. Think about it. What go on in Jamaica? Them things they not. Brother, a straight prison for going on. Brother, you better pray. Nobody not see a road and do anything to your virgin. Come here, tell you. People out there want to take you out. Yeah, tell you. I feel it. A 5-year-old virgin and you get bail. What is going on in that judge head? But anyway, peeps, that's just my thoughts on the whole matter. Yeah, play it off mature, come couldn't get grimy and go on wild. But you don't know where they're on the show and think how I keep it professional and think. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Because to me, this no make no sense, does not compute. You know? So anyway, happy Thursday peeps. And just go and journey with your boy. And thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.